Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a peanut butter and jelly cake. So I made some peanut butter cake layers last night, and this morning I made some strawberry cake filling. So I just have to make the buttercream, and then I'm going to start to assemble the cake. I did post on my Instagram. You can head on over there at Kara Bakes Cakes. I posted a question on there asking what kind of cakes you'd like to see. Since I have some downtime from cake orders, I'm going to try a couple different flavors. So keep on watching. It's not going to be a bake with me or anything. I'm not giving out any recipes for this one, but I'm just going to show you how I decorate the cake. Does anyone else only like to bake with specific brands of things? Like Lantic icing sugar is the best, I find, like at the grocery stores around here. The other kind is Redpath, and I find that it's like grainy, but this stuff here is like smooth. The other, I don't know. I've used the other stuff if I had to, but I find when I make my buttercream, if I use this and the Atlantic butter from Superstore, it's like the best product. But maybe it's all in my head. Comment down below if you like certain icing sugars or brands of different things. Okay, so I'm gonna start assembling the peanut butter and jelly cake. So I have my cake board, cake stand, and all of my tools and ingredients. So first, for the filling, I want it to be strawberry. I was originally just gonna do vanilla icing with just strawberry sauce, but I think we're gonna mix the strawberry sauce in with the buttercream and make that in the middle. I'm just gonna put a little bit in at a time, add more if we have to. I'm gonna put down a little bit of buttercream and then our cake. We're gonna start with some regular buttercream, and then we will add the strawberry on top. Just a thin layer. Strawberry layer. Strawberries in the middle, some peanuts. Now we're going to crumb coat it with vanilla. Just a really thin layer because we're going to be putting a peanut butter layer of buttercream on top. Alright, so I popped the cake in the fridge to set for about 10 minutes, and now I'm going to be making, turning this vanilla buttercream into some peanut butter buttercream to go on the outside of the cake. So it's like hard to touch, so that is when you can move on to your next layer. If you leave it, sometimes I do rush cakes and try to do them while they're still soft, but if you have the time, like really leave it until it's a little harder, because then it'll be much easier to put on the final layer. And I like to just put a bunch on the top and get started smoothing it down the sides. Oh my god, it smells so good. Okay, got the cake, got my knife, got a spatula, got the plate I hope to put this cake on. And this is a thing of hot water I'm gonna dip the knife in. Yeah! Okay, moment of truth. Cut into the cake. Here's my slice, and I'm gonna taste it. I wanna get all the stuff. So, ready? Strawberry, peanut butter. So good. I hope you liked my peanut butter and jelly cake video. If you like this video, go ahead and scroll down, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. I upload videos every Sunday morning, and it would mean a lot to me if you hit that subscribe button. I found out that 80% of my viewers aren't subscribed, so it's free to subscribe. A lot of people think that subscribing costs money, but YouTube is free. All you have to do is sign up, so you can hit that subscribe button and it'll help me out a lot, and I'd really appreciate it.